Welcome to the CryptoNest. So now it's been a while. I didn't check, actually a weekend, I didn't check any stocks really. I'm kind of scared to go and look for hot and mining. So there we go. Okay, so don't know why I have three now here. I think I'm on the wrong one. Let me go on miners. All right, so not great once again. We are not invalidating this yellow count that we did have 5 wave up for a wave 1 in yellow, and then A, B, C for a wave 2. The problem now is wave 2, it's, let me unselect that. So wave 2, it's too low and it almost reached the 0.886. A lot of time when that happen, unfortunately, the count is going to fail. And if Bitcoin continue to go lower and make a lower low, then this more likely it's going to fail. And yeah, so that's pretty sad, isn't it? Now I'm trying to see if there is another way to do something here. A, B, C for the A, so I don't know. Honestly, it did look good, this chart, but because we went way below the 0.786 and it started to be problematic. Now, I honestly don't like to do those kind of things, but maybe I can say this was an A, B, C for the A, and this is the B, and we have an overstretching wave C. I'm honestly, it doesn't make a great chart. Okay, so even if I try to do those kind of things, I can try to salvage this chart a little bit, but do I really? Because let's face it, it's not looking good. So the only thing, by doing that, give the chance to the price to go lower. But we also know that price, if we go below this very long-term uptrend line, then it's really not going to look good. And because I believe we are doing this cycle fifth wave, this is why many altcoins are having a bad time. And honestly, miners also are not great. And once again, I really thought, when I saw sold here on the top and then repurchased around $21 and $18. I think the lowest one was 17, I think. Yeah, honestly, I wasn't looking forward for this deep correction. You can see that, yeah, now it's a nice price, but is it going to hold this level? Is it going to fail? Actually, here was at the end a nice time to just short. But at the time, I was really, things were looking kind of good on Bitcoin, and I didn't thought, chart didn't lead me to this bigger correction, because at the end, everything looked more impulsive, but then with the time, we see that, yeah, the impulsiveness wasn't there, and then this is the consequences. Now, am I saying that hot and mining is ruined, is going to zero? No, it's just I'm saying that chart, it's not a great one now anymore. Already that before was kind of shaky a little bit, but we started to have a nice 5-way up, but the 3-wave down, it was a sign already that it wasn't that great, because let me add it here. LT wave A would have gone here at this level at the 0.382. I know I cannot see, you cannot see very well. And then we would have seen a B and a C. And then we want to have the length of the wave A and the length of the wave C about the same, 1-to-1 ratio. We didn't have that. We actually had a wave A that went almost even a little bit below the 0.618. So this should be the ideal target for the whole movement. And then we had a very mild wave B and then a deeper wave C. So don't even want, just for fun, okay? Let's see. Actually, there is another way of calculating, but honestly, some people, they calculate this as a 1, 2. This was, oopsie, let me take out this. Some people, I know that some of my friends, they calculate that's a 1, 2. This is a 3, 4, and 5. And once again, it's valid, but a little bit sketchy. And the reason is, let me go on the 1 hour. And I'm not even sure you can do that. Yeah, you can. But you see how the wave 2, it's almost completely went through and almost invalidated this wave 2, okay? So this is why I'm not going to use that count, because I find it's anyway, you can see that everything on this chart, beside the 5-way up that they were great, after the correction it's just not right, let's say. And they were all signs that, you know, at the time there is place for not fulfilling a nice recovery. So this 1, 2, or this movement here was a bell. Honestly, I didn't mention it at the beginning, but I'm still convinced that hot and money can do well, but we just need to be careful and then study. And now, yeah, I should have listened more my instinct, and maybe give more room, honestly. But that's, I don't regret anything. I took profits, I scaled back in. This is a long term. I do believe Bitcoin is going to do well, starting from October, November, and December. And banana time is going to be next year. Maybe end of this year will start. It's just trying to auto-analyze our chart, our actions, and was there any sign that we could have done better? I'm not regretting selling here. I'm not regretting to scaling back here. Should I scoop back some here? Now, honestly, long term, you know, I think I wouldn't mind, but because we are in the red zone, I'm going to wait now and check Bitcoin and what it's doing, because otherwise we can even break this uptrend green line, and then it's going to be problematic. So for the moment, I'm hodling. I'm still, I don't want to go there, and I want to prematurely scoop back in. I want to see, first of all, Bitcoin a sign of reversal, and then after we'll see. But no, I'm not freaking out. I'm just okay with that. Okay, if I can say that. So now, is there something else I wanted to mention? There are some people that they count that also. Not fan of that. This could be an A, B, C, D, and then now we're doing the E, and after that we go. It's I'm doing that like that, but usually the wave D ideally would be a little bit lower than the B, but it would still work, and then we will see. And honestly, this is the importance of, first of all, this trend line. If we break it, then definitely we need to check this lower price, but then it's going to bring the price at $7.85. So let's see how it goes with that. All right, hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, and have a good day.